Your Homeit box has arrived! Let's get to it. In your box, you will find a Homeit box, a Nuki Smart Lock, and a Homeit Pad. If you have an apartment, you may want to connect your Homeit box to the intercom to enable access from street level. If you don't have an intercom system, simply stick the Homeit box to the wall, plug it in, and you're good to go. To open the intercom, slide a screwdriver around it to detach the plastic enclosure from the base. Identify where to connect the white cable provided with the Homeit box. Now, simply connect the white cable to the intercom and tighten the screws to secure. Now, let's set up the Homeit box. Simply fix the Homeit box to the wall. The easiest way is to use the sticker provided. Remove the Homeit box front cover to gain access to the electronics. Now, using a small flathead screwdriver, connect the other end of the white cable to the Homeit box. Plug the provided power cable into the Homeit box. This is how your Homeit box should look now that you've attached it to the intercom system. Now reattach the front covers for both the Homeit box and the intercom. The next step is to plug in your Homeit box, which is already connected to your intercom. Now let's activate the Nuki Smart Lock. The Smart Lock will be mounted on the existing cylinder. Select the correct mounting plate from the packaging and screw the plate to the cylinder with the supplied Allen wrench. Put your door key into the lock and attach your Smart Lock to the mounting plate. You're almost there. The Nuki Smart Lock will enable you and your guests to remotely lock and unlock your door from now on. And finally, let's fix the Homeit Pad to the wall. Simply attach the sticker to the back of the Homeit Pad, remove the protective strip, and place on the wall outside your apartment. Now you've installed all the devices, you and your guests can now enjoy your new smart home. You can easily manage who has access to your property from the Homeit dashboard by creating a digital key. Cleaning services can now enter by using their key, either by the app or keypad. Your guests can also enter the property hassle-free by using their digital key. For more information, please visit homeit.io and get your smart lock today.